I am appreciative. I am thankful. I am abundance. I am healthy. I am wealthy. I am connected with God, the universe. I am connected with the higher power. I am so grateful for having a roof under my head every day. I am appreciative for my health. I am appreciative for my abundance every day. I am appreciative for every single thing I experiment every day in my life. I am appreciative for every